In this video, I'll guide you through how to change name servers in Hostinger. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to replace, and how to make sure your domain points to the right hosting provider without getting lost in technical jargon. First, you'll want to log into your Hostinger account and open your H panel. This is Hostinger's main control panel where you manage your websites, domains, and settings. Once you're in H panel, take a moment to let the page load fully so all options are visible. If you ever feel unsure, remember that everything related to your domain settings will be under the domains area. Next, look at the top menu of hPanel and navigate to the section labeled Domains. Click on that. This will bring up a list of all domains connected to your Hostinger account. If you own multiple domains, double check that you're working with the correct one. It's easy to click the wrong domain if they look similar, so confirm the spelling before you continue. Find your domain in the list and then click the Manage button next to it. Sometimes this might appear as a small arrow icon or a similar indicator to open more options. Clicking Manage will take you to a detailed page specifically for that domain where you can control things like DNS records, name servers, and other domain-related settings. On the left-hand side of this domain management page, you'll see a sidebar with several options. Look for the one that says DNS or name servers. Go ahead and click DNS name servers. This is where you control how your domain connects to different services and where you tell it which hosting provider to use. At the top of this DNS and name servers page, locate the section titled Name Servers. This is the area that shows which name servers your domain is currently using. To change them, look for a button labeled Change and click it. This will open up the editing options so you can replace the old values with the new ones. Now you should see different ways to configure your name servers. Choose the option called Change Name Servers, often marked as advanced. This tells Hostinger you want to set custom name servers, usually provided by a different hosting company or DNS provider. Make sure you've already copied the new name server details from your new host so you can paste them easily. In the name server fields that appear, delete the existing Hostinger name servers. Carefully remove each one so you don't mix old and new values. Then paste in the new name servers given to you by your new hosting provider. These usually come in pairs, like NS1 followed by your host's domain and NS2 followed by the same domain. Take a moment to check for typos, because even a small mistake can prevent your site from working correctly. Once you've entered both new name servers and confirmed they're correct, click the Save button. Hostinger will apply your changes, but keep in mind that DNS changes can take some time to propagate across the internet. It may be anywhere from a few minutes to up to 24 or even 48 hours before everything updates everywhere. And that's it. You've successfully changed your name servers in Hostinger and pointed your domain to your new host.